some black pepper, onion powder, salt, garlic powder, and I'll throw a little Italian herbs, you know what I'm saying, on that back. So I'm gonna hit with a little bit of salt.
That's enough damn salt there, Willie.
I know what I'm doing.
We got some black pepper, garlic powder. I think I already I put salt on here. Garlic powder. I ain't gonna lie, bro. You can, oh, that's way too much, Lord Jesus. Now I'm about to fry it. You fry it on both sides for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, then you put it in the oven. Make sure you have some, oh, that's probably too much. But you want to put some oil up in that thing, man. I put some olive oil up in there. Actually, I wasn't even supposed to do that. I was supposed to put some butter in here. Butter, olive oil, I really don't think it matters. You got your burner on medium high-ish. And, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go on and, I think this little thing too little, but it is what it is. Go on, cook that thing. I'm gonna try to squeeze it. Squeeze both of them in here. This thing is little though. Yeah, yep. Yeah, it'll fit in here. But medium high. Let it cook on both sides for like 2 minutes. Flip it around and then put in the oven for like 10 minutes. And we go see how it's turned. Right now the asparagus is in here cooking. You know, asparagus is just asparagus. It do look mighty green. What made me cook salmon is, bro, I be watching fish videos all the time. I want to learn how to cook everything though. Because eventually when you learn how to cook so much stuff, you don't have to really like rely on the restaurants to make these dishes, bro. Let's see how it look. Ooh, not bad. Not bad. Oh, this tear apart easily. Yeah, it is salmon. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I did my thing on that one. That one got the seasoning. This one don't got that much seasoning. But it still look good, Chad. I ain't gonna lie. Nah, Chad, I ain't gonna lie. It's a little pink. You know what I'm saying? A little couple pieces fell off. Obviously, the fish pink. But look at that seed, bro. That looks so freaking good, man. But, it look good under, too. All right, Chad, my little asparagus look so po. I ain't gonna lie. They look stale. They look good, though. Chad, I got me a little to-go plate for later. I gotta add some sauce, man. I'm getting this little asparagus. We're gonna take a little flick of the meal. You know what I'm saying? I mean, that's really it. I could add some more stuff, but it look good to me. Now I'm gonna do a taste test. Set up or whatever. This the food, man. I look, you need to take a picture. Hold on. All right, chat. So this is how it look. I'm gonna give y'all a little taste test behind the camera and on camera. All right, y'all. So my food right here. Got the salmon, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It is busting. Now this asparagus. Damn. Oh, damn. The fish, man, this shit like a 9.5. Only thing I would do is probably cook the middle more. But god damn, bro, this shit good. It's like jerk salmon. Bro, I plays no games. God, bussin'. But I'm gonna save that meal. I'm gonna eat some more off camera. I'm in the lab. I'm gonna show y'all what I got going on. Just watched the WNBA game, and I've been making content all day. Look at these little freaky things. But this is the food, this is the meal, this is the P5, bro. I'll be playing the game and shit like that, man. Y'all know GTA 6 on the way. But, yeah, man. It's your boy Cal. It's your boy Cal, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this dish. This was delicious, man. This was I'm finna kill it. As soon as I get off camera, this is all gonna be gone. And then I got my plate for later too. It's your boy Cal, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is my first time ever cooking salmon, however you say it. Cooked asparagus a few times, but it's my first ever time, bro. And I'm not gonna lie, this is good. Let me know what y'all would like for me to cook next, and I will catch you guys and girls in the next one. Let me know if y'all want some more IRL videos with the camera. We can do that too. Peace.